So guys, now it will be the first time starting the car after I installed the carburetor, so I'm very excited. So let's try it. What can be? So I will pump it little like here. I hope it will help. So another try, you know. Yo! Yeah, guys, it's working. So now I will go outside on the street and make some videos like how it's working. The first ride, guys. Subscribe. It's very cool.
On my beamer, old time rolling slow, you know, on my beamer, city lights, pop, 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 rolling slow on my beamer, everybody streets glow, old timer city show, on my beamer, get slow, rolling beamer, watch me glow, slow and low,
Let's go.
On my beamer, slow and low, rolling on my beamer, slow and low, rolling on my beamer, slow and low, rolling on my beamer.
It's very hard. No. Okay, I need to open the main garage. This one. And yeah, then I will continue. Because it's, I don't know if you know, you can see the smoke here. It's super shitty. I need to take the keys here. So let's go to wait it on the next floor. So it's kind of lift here. So guys, it's very cool. The first time it's outside.
Midnight streets, rolling on my beamer. Everybody looking, yeah, slow motion. Beamer lights, rolling slow. Everybody looking, yeah, sliding engine purr, rolling slow. On my beamer, city watching. Everybody looking, yeah, okay, yeah. Everybody looking,
So
yeah.
let's have a ride.
Slow motion.
Let's have a ride.
Everybody looking, yeah, okay, yeah. Everybody looking, yeah. Slow motion, rolling slow on my beamer.
Let's
Like
go.
slow. Everybody looking on my beamer, yeah. Rolling, yeah, yeah. Everybody just slow, looking.
We're going. Do you hear the strange noise, guys? I don't know. What is this? So let's find some place beautiful. Everything is beautiful here, you know. Yeah, but I need a little bit of sun. So a lot of emotions. You can't imagine how it's cool that you made everything with your hands. And yeah, now you are like everything what you've done is here. But yeah, I listened some strange noise, but it's not related to gearbox, unfortunately, because it will be easier that I will understand. But something like the scratch, I don't know what's it. What is this? Oh my god! A second. Yeah. Come on.